Hello there. Alright, so today we have another taste test. Today we're going to be taste testing Boca Burger spicy chicken veggie patties. Now, it's not real chicken, obviously, because as you can see, these are vegan. So it's made mostly with wheat and soy. This and all of this spices and different ingredients in there as well. This has 11 grams of protein and 50% less fat than a traditional chicken patty. So, but I have some made here already. See, through the magic of the interwebs. So that's what it looks like. So we got some lettuce, tomato, and some light mayo on there. So other than the light mayo, it's a vegan chicken sandwich. A vegan chicken sandwich. But yeah, let's give it a go. All right. It's really not bad. It doesn't have quite the same texture as a chicken patty, but it's really not that bad. I like this. I like it a lot. So yeah, that's Boca. So yeah, it's got some bite to it too. Yeah, because it's spicy. Yeah. It's good. It's very good. Yeah, and it's definitely got some bite to it, which I like. Give it some zest. Well, alright, so that's all I got for you today. So everyone out there, be well and be safe. Until next time.